In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a printable children's storybook with ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. This is a great method if you want to create a fun bedtime story, a classroom storybook, or even a printable book you can share with kids, parents, or students. The best part is that ChatGPT can help you write the story structure. Jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app. Once you're inside, you're ready to start creating your storybook. The key here is to use one clear prompt that tells ChatGPT exactly what you want. Type this prompt: write a printable children's storybook with simple language, short sentences, characters, moral, and divide into pages. This is a powerful prompt because it tells ChatGPT the style, the audience, and the format all at once. After you send the prompt, ChatGPT will generate a storybook draft for you. You should see a story broken into pages with simple wording, child-friendly characters, and a clear moral or lesson at the end. If you want to make the story more exciting, you can customize it by adding a follow-up prompt like, add more fun. This helps the story feel more playful, more imaginative, and more engaging for children. You can also ask ChatGPT to make it shorter, more colorful, more magical, or even based on a specific theme like animals, friendship, kindness, or adventure. Once you have the story you like, the next step is to copy the headline and the pages that ChatGPT gives you. Make sure you copy everything you want to include in your printable storybook, including the title, the page text, and any moral or ending message. This is the part that will become the written content of your book. Now go to the Design or Image Creation section by clicking the plus button and selecting Create Images. This is where you can turn your story into a more visual and printable book format. Paste in the headline and the page content so the tool can use it as the basis for your images or layout. If needed, create one image per page so your storybook stays easy to read and looks polished. You can also match each page with a different illustration style to make the book feel more professional and fun for kids. After that, review each page carefully. Make sure the text is easy to read, the story flows well, and the images match the scene. If anything looks too long or too complicated, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to simplify the wording even more. Since this is a children's storybook, short sentences and clear language usually work best. And that's it. You've now learned how to make a printable children's storybook with ChatGPT by generating the story, customizing it, copying the pages, and creating images for the final design. This is an easy workflow that can save you a lot of time while helping you create something creative and printable. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.